Hey there, today we're going to see how to use Zoom. Not exactly the whole thing, but a section of it. A year back, I didn't know what Zoom was. A client of mine sent me this link called Zoom, and I clicked it, and I'm like, wow, I discovered this amazing thing, which made meetings seamless ever since. So in today's video, we're going to see how to use a part of Zoom, not the whole thing. If you'd like to see that, do let me know. I can make a video about that as well. Now, what we're going to see in today's video is the difference between a host and co-host in Zoom meetings. Now, let me give you a scenario where you're having a presentation in your company and there are two different people who are presenting it. Now, the host in Zoom is a person who has access to all controls of the program. Co-host is just a participant who is in the meeting. So right now, there's a scenario where you need to give the co-host complete access while using the software. Now, in today's video, we're going to see how to do that. It's very simple. So for that, first thing you need to do is sign up or sign into your Zoom account and update Zoom to its latest update. So I'll put the link below so that you can use it to update your Zoom or download it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So step one, we need to get into meetings. So when you go onto the top bar, you get to see this thing called meetings. So we need to click that and we get to see personal meetings. And also you can see this plus button here. This plus button is basically to schedule meetings or create new meetings. I'm not going to go over that right now, but if you'd like to see something dedicated to it, do let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video for that. So the thing with having a host and co-host is both the person should be signed in under a same account, like under a same login ID. So two people must be signed in under the same registered account. So that's the main point. So for now, I'm going to start this meeting. And as you can see, there's one participant. So I'm going to start another meeting with the same ID on my iPad. So starting another meeting, and as you can see, there are two participants right there. So now to understand how to use co-host and host, we need to click on participants. And as you can see, there are two people, both is from the same user ID, so both are my ID. Now, the first person is always the host, the person who's hosting the meeting. And the second person is more like a participant or a co-host. They don't have more of admin features in Zoom. Now, to make this person host, so you can see there's an option called more, and you get an option called make host. So when you click that, Zoom's going to ask you, are you sure if you want to make a change? And you click yes, and automatically the other person becomes the host. So this is a really useful one if you're having a presentation where two people are presenting something and they want to switch between host and co-host. So right now we're going to end the meeting. I'm going to leave the meeting. I can't end the meeting. Only the host has the feature to end the meeting. So I'm going to leave the meeting. And that's how you differentiate or use between host and co-host in Zoom. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you'd like to see more on Zoom, do let me know in the comment section. And if you'd like the video or found it useful, I would recommend you to subscribe to our channel and give a like to this video as it supports our channel. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.